Hello guys, let's make cough medicine for children. Even though adults can take it, but for children from 1 year up, for 1 year upward can take it. Just get me these two ingredients. Let me show you how they prepare it. Guys, this is my pea ginger, so I will be grinding it with my add water. This is my water. Look at the water. See it? So you have to honey. You add like 2 spoons of honey. Look at it. Or more than that, if you want it to be sweet because of your children, you add more honey. Thank you for watching. Bye.